Yo, what's up guys, IrwinTech here, back at it again with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you the best guide to unblocking all sites on your school Chromebook. I've made a lot of videos in the past about this, but I think I'm going to be doing weekly or monthly updates for this, so I just found a new way that actually is really good to unblocking all sites on your school Chromebook. It's not just some random proxy website that I found on Google, it's just literally like removing the Chrome extensions and literally like not have them block anything at all. Just free web searching on literally everything. You don't even have to use an unblocker. It's so amazing. Before we get into this hack, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can hit 50,000 subscribers. Also, make sure to go check out my Twitter, linked in the description below. I post YouTube updates, random stuff, and if you're interested, the link is always in the description. And every video, it will always be in the description. I'm not going to waste any more of your guys' time. Let's just get straight into the video. Hey guys, here are all the membership shoutouts for today's video. Make sure to go subscribe to their channels, and let's just get back to the video. Alrighty guys, so before we start this tutorial, you'll need to have two computers ready for you guys to use. It doesn't matter if it's a Windows laptop or anything. It can even be another school Chromebook. You just need two computers with access to Wi-Fi. You will also need a USB drive with a good amount of storage. Then what you want to do is take your USB stick here and plug it into your second computer here. Also make sure to have this Google Drive link open, which I'll have linked in the description below as always. Make sure to open that Google Drive link on your second computer, then plug in your USB drive here. Alrighty guys, so what you need to do now is download this file right here. You can right click it, then click download, then click download anyway. Then what you want to do is open your files app, then find your USB drive. Then what you want to do is go back to your downloads, then two fingers or right click on the file you just downloaded and copy it. Or you can just highlight it and do Control C. Then go back to your USB stick, do Control V, or you can do two fingers, then paste. You can right click your USB stick and eject it, then take it out of your computer. Now that we have our USB stick ready here, we can move over to the Chromebook over here. Have your USB stick ready right here. Now on the Chromebook, do escape, refresh, and then power button. When it comes on the screen, do Control D, then press enter again. Now wait for your Chromebook to boot into the sign up screen. Now on the welcome to Chromebook screen here, you want to click get started, then connect to a Wi-Fi network. After you're connected, click accept and continue, then just let everything load. Now once everything is done, click done here, then sign in with your school account. Now wait for everything to load, but pay attention closely now because this is the crucial part. So now that you're in your Chromebook, quickly go to the time right here, click on it, click on Wi-Fi here, and turn it off. Now make sure you do that very quickly or you'll have to redo all the steps over again. So now that you force the Wi-Fi to turn off, it won't install any extensions on our Chromebook. So now what we're gonna do is plug in our USB drive and fill up all the storage. If this comes up, please just hit the X here. Now what you want to do is hit this little menu key right here. Open your Files app, then click the menu key again, click Settings, then go to Search Settings up here and type Storage. You don't have to type the full thing. Storage Management will pop up right here. Click on it and it'll show you how much storage you have left. You want to fill this to the max so that it cannot install any extensions. So now go back to your Files app and plug in your USB drive. Now that it's plugged in, go to your USB drive, take the file, and then do Control C. Go back to your downloads and do Control V a bunch of times. You want to keep doing this over and over again till it fills up your storage. So I've done it about 20 times now. Let's just check out my storage and my settings here. Looks like we still have a ways to go, so let's just keep going. Okay, so I've done about 50 now. Let's check on our storage. Now we have halfway to go, so just keep spamming Control V. We're almost done. 5 gigabytes left. If it says caution, these files are temporary and may be automatically deleted to free up space, just dismiss that and check your settings for your storage, and you can see we're almost filled up. We have 500 megabytes left. We should try to fill it up to about 200 to 100 megabytes. If it won't let you copy and paste more than 500 megabytes, that's okay. You can just close out of that and close out of this. Then what you want to do is turn back on the Wi-Fi here. Now none of the extensions will be installed on your Chromebook that they use to block the websites. So if I go to like settings here, then go to extensions, you can see none of them are being installed because there's literally no space left on your Chromebook. Now you can search whatever you want. You can even play Fortnite on here. And to prove to you that this worked, you can just go to tiktok.com. Boom, it's not blocked. Literally every website is unblocked, guys. You can go to netflix.com as well. That will work. Boom, there you go. So yeah, guys, this is basically how to unblock all sites on your school Chromebook. The best method. Enjoy. Yo, thank you all for watching. Here are all the shoutouts for today's video. And if you want to be featured in one of my videos, just comment down below I subscribed and I'll give you a shout out in my next video. Anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video and I'll see you all next time. Bye.